Alright, let's go ahead and look at a good use for a reciprocating saw. I don't know what kind of a plant this is, but we do not want it here. We'll get rid of it. Let's see here. Let's see if we can find it, right? There we go. Yeah, here we got a bunch of growth. My blade might be a little dull. Just a little. Of course, it is kind of hard to get down in there to see, right? So here's one. Okay, that's going through the fence. Probably go get a sharp blade. Well, you can see sawzall. It just cut right through these, so no need to get a bunch of other stuff out, right? This one's got, oopsie. And I didn't bend the blade. Let's see. Let's get that a little higher so we can see it. Because there's a post right there and I didn't want to hit the post. Trying not to dull my blade out. Or bend my blade rather. Really doesn't help when it vibrates. Let's see, what do we got in the way here that we can't see with? Is that it right there? Alright. Get rid of that little guy first. And then timber. Oh, look. Nice small guy. It's going to vibrate like crazy, which is going to make it take a little longer. Another tree growing here. There we go. This is going to be a little more tricky because she is right up against the house. So, we're going to take care of this small piece first. Of course, it's going to vibrate like crazy. Take care of that small piece as well. Go ahead and get those kind of pulled out of there a little bit. Try not to block the camera too much. Okay. We're going to block the camera a little bit. It's just the way it's going to be, though. Alright, spin that back. Alright. We get this root right, or this branch right up here against the house. So we're just going to come right in behind, cut it off, practice. So, alright. So I'm going to be able to get all these out and get them away from the house, get them away from the fence, get that taken care of so that so that they're not there and they're not growing underneath my siding anymore. Gotta get them all pulled out and stuff though, right? Because a lot of it's up underneath the siding. So we'll get them all cut, we'll get them all pulled out, and that's one use for your little battery powered Sawzall. As far as throw the battery on there, walk around the yard, cut those out. She's still full. I mean, I've cut, I don't know how many, but I've cut them, and she's still pretty much full. So we'll be able to get the rest of them out. There's only like maybe 8 more, but they're all thin ones that are going to vibrate. It's going to make it look, it's going to make it take a while, you know, because they're vibrating. So we'll put a link for this product down below in the description if you want to check it out. As far as for lawn maintenance though, I mean, these things aren't just for cutting framing or anything else in the house. These can be used for a lot of things. You could actually trim some bushes with them. I wouldn't suggest it. I mean, but yeah, I've trimmed tree branches, not thick ones, but you know, thinner ones that the blade has to be able to get through it. And I plan on trimming some more here soonish, but more than one use for these. More than one use.